Hello, today's video is to show you how to access important language information about your bilingual students. You will start off in your portal and from there click on the Frontline tile. Once you're in the Frontline screen, you're going to click Frontline Special Education and Interventions. It will bring you to this next screen and you're going to go to the left hand side and click on the speech bubble and select LPAC student records. Then it's going to bring you to your students' records. From here, you're going to go to Other 1 and select Homeroom. And next to it, you are going to type in your last name. Once you are done with that, you can go ahead and click Enter. Then you will see for sure all of your bilingual students. And from here, you can click on any of your students. I'm going to pick the first one. And then select a FERPA reason. Here, you're going to be brought up to your student's screen. And you're going to go to where it says Screen and go to the drop-down menu. And click on LPAC Student History 1 of 3. You will be brought up to this next screen. And you are going to click on Assessment Results. Then you will be brought up to this next screen where you can find any assessment information that your student has taken. Here we can see this student has the pre-loss testing, STAR testing, and TELPAS testing. You can see the grade level that your student took their assessment, the test type, the testing language, and the scores. We can see scores here, whether they passed or failed their STAR test, and then any of the levels for TELPAS. I hope this video helps you find that important information. If you need any help or have any other questions, please feel free to contact Maida or myself. Thank you.